On Tuesday, April 27th at 8:43 p.m., officers attempted to stop a vehicle that had been reported as stolen on April 23rd. The vehicle was traveling eastbound on Highway 58, east of Cottonwood Road. The pursuit lasted approximately 30 seconds.
Unit 3, can you clear the channel? We have a fairly yield.
10-4, code 33, channel 1, code 33, channel 1. Location?
You're eastbound 58, coming up to Mount Vernon. No traffic. No cuts. Speed's at 80.
Copy, speeds at 80.
Unit 3, can you copy King Mary 6, Henry Yellow?
Any units start that way?
10, copy. What's offense? King 14 is 1051, 2000 Chevy Silverado.
Yep, location.
The vehicle failed to yield to officers and left the roadway, traveling southbound across the embankment through a chain-link fence and stopped when it struck a concrete wall. The suspect fled on foot into a residential area, and officers began to set up a perimeter to contain him.
Suspect is on Padre, eastbound.
Copy, suspect is on Padre, eastbound.
White male, black cutoff t-shirt.
White male, black cutoff t-shirt. 3 Metro 1, are you with Unit 1?
3 Metro 1, for Martin to locate.
Unit 3, let's go ahead and unit push down to police. Hold that south end. There's certainly way eastbound on Padre. Don't have them in sight yet. 353, next unit, get to 58 South Washington. The unit after that, get to police for the south.
An overhead map shows the location of the crashed vehicle and path of flight of the suspect. Additional officers began to arrive in the area and requested the assistance of the Kern County Sheriff's Office patrol helicopter, Air 1.
Go ahead. We're at 97 now, sir. Where would you like us to start our search for information? We're still waiting for clear to cool down. Copy. Let me locate the house. But if you get my light, this is the general area. Let me fine tune it a little bit. Air 1, I got him. He's now going to be eastbound through the yard. One residence east of coming back out in a southeast direction. King 14, stay there. King 14, stay there. Just to the west of you, running southbound now. Running southbound out to police and back northbound. Air 1, still running northbound through the yard.
Code 33, channel 1, northbound through the yard.
At this time, the only police unit with sight of the suspect is Air 1, and no ground units were in pursuit. Our first body camera video from the involved K-9 handler begins as Air 1 is directing officers to where the suspect continues to flee in the rear yard of a residence in the 2000 block of Feliz Drive. This occurs at 9:07 p.m.
Please, K-9, you're gonna get bit! Stop running! Here! Go! Can't.
At this time, there are no officers west of the suspect or in the same backyard as the suspect. The first 3 gunshots heard are fired by the suspect.
Betsy! Drop it! Here! Dingle, here!
Police canines are utilized by their human partners to assist in suspect detection and, in some circumstances, apprehension. During the course of the pursuit of the auto theft suspect, officers had no specific information that the suspect was armed with a firearm prior to him discharging it. There is an inherent risk while pursuing any suspect that they may be armed. An additional officer discharged their firearm after the suspect fired 3 gunshots. At this time, only 2 officers are in direct sight of the suspect. This is the second officer's body camera footage.
the gun! Drop the gun!
Officers began life-saving measures on the suspect. However, medical aid declared him deceased at the scene. The police K-9 was transported to an area veterinarian hospital for treatment, but succumbed to his gunshot injuries. As officers approached the suspect, they kicked the firearm away from his hand. Inspection of the suspect's firearm, a revolver, indicated it had been fired 3 times.
Drop the gun! Drop the gun! Drop the gun now! Drop the gun now!
Hey, stay on him.
I got him. I'll stay on him. His finger's on the trigger. I got him.
Don't fucking move!
Come on for information.